Good day and welcome to our short explanation of how to add disks and create an array on a live server using a Dell, was it an H740P RAID controller, although it's the same with the 710s and the 6s and so on and so forth, and for that matter it's the same with most of the other RAID controllers as well. So what you need to do is go out and buy identical disks, and I'm going to pop up on the screen the disks I have. I purchased two 5 terabyte disks. I just need some scratch space, and I'm simply going to create a RAID 1 to make it quick and easy for the purpose of this video. So what you want to do is use Server Administrator, you open Manage Server from Dell, and you can click on Storage, and you can expand and go into your virtual disks. And at this point, let's go to physical disks first. And you'll see I've got these 2 disks, which if I drill into and I show full view, will show that they are identical disks. They don't need to be identical, but they really should be, especially if you're going to call for support. That's one of the first things they're going to drill on you is, are these identical disks? If they're not, Dell probably is going to be very happy about it, and none of the RAID manufacturers will probably be very happy. But anyway, I do have them identical, so that's disk 2 and disk 4. So let's go to virtual disks. I'm going to create a brand new array, and I'm going to, let's go with this. I'll do this a little more complex. I'll do the advanced wizard. So I'll do select RAID. I want RAID 1. And I only have 2 disks available, disk 2 and disk 4, so that's what I'm going to use. You can see they're identical. And there we go. And this I'm just going to call 5 terabyte temp. You can call it whatever you want. And read ahead and write back are fine for this. The stripe size is fine. And let's click Finish. And please verify the operating system includes any updates, modifications, so on and so forth. Yes, I do. There we go. And in just a moment, there it is. RAID 1 is there. So let's go take a look at the disk. You'll see, geez, it's not there. Oh no, what do I do? It's because you have to go into Disk Manager and put a partition on it. So let's go to Disk Manager, and you'll see here I've got this 5 terabyte disk. I'm going to initialize it, and sure, use GPT. Right click, New Simple Volume. There we go. And we'll call this E. I don't like using D. So just a personal thing, call it whatever you want. And this will be a Windows name, and I'm going to call this the same thing, 5 terabyte temp. Spinning, let's go with that. And yes, I definitely want to create do with this a quick format, otherwise this will take a very long time. Click Finish, and in a moment, this will say finished and healthy. There we go. And bingo, there's my space, there's my disk. So that's it. If you have any questions, please get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca, and we'll give you a hand. Thank you. Bye-bye.